Here we are in the shop. That's as far out as my arm is. That's it. That's all I got. So I'm working on a project. It's cold outside, 37 for this morning, so a little chilly. Um, and I got a lot of stuff done yesterday. I'll show that later. But I'm working on a project. I took a job making an oak cabinet to match a couple bookcases and make doors. Um, the doors here. So they had a unit that had two doors, and then another unit that had no, not two doors. So they wanted me to make this door. Pretty nice looking unit. So we're gonna duplicate that, and then we're gonna do move slow. So we're making it's under the TV, and each bookcase sits to either side of this. So there'll be 8 doors. These of course are taller because they wanted a taller cabinet. So the top is here. This is the underside. I made it look like a thick top. So that's all gluing up right now. It's going to overhang on the sides, and then there'll be a couple little shelves and just 4 doors. So there it is. I'm making doors now. So here's the door stock. Sure is nice working with nice clear lumber. Had some beautiful stuff in my stock. So here's the process of making doors. So you rip a bunch of material, and then I run it through the planer standing up so that I get all these nice trimmed, planed, everything is consistent size. Makes very nice. And then cut the length, right? So these are a half lap door. They're just such an easy door to make. I hate doing all the coping and shit like that. Plus I got rid of my shaper. So this is just a simple door, very strong. And so you just cut all the lengths according to your opening, correct? And then this is a fabulous jig, tenoning jig, a grizzly again. And so you set it up, and I show you. So there's a nice vertical. You clamp it in, and then you set the height of the blade to match the width close as you can. And there's all kinds of nice little micro adjustments. It's a really nice unit, and it was always really reasonably priced. It's under $100. So you make all the cuts, and then this is another Grizzly tool that I'm just really happy with. I bought this table saw 3 winters ago when I was down in the Panhandle making chairs, and I had to have a table saw. So it's really nice. Really impressed with it. So this is going to be the cutoff, right? So when you make the tenon cut, it gives you this dimension, and then to make this cross cut, oh, that's such a short piece. That was a test piece. So you make extra test pieces too, right? Extra scrap. I made some pine to tweak all the fittings, but you do, this is all sized, and then you just hang on to it well and make the cut. The little tab falls out, and then you just tweak it into its position, and it came out really, really nice. Check squares on everything, right? So you can see we got some really nice fit. And then of course you sand all those edges to once they're glued up. And then I'll route a channel for the plywood, veneered plywood. $100 sheet of plywood. Isn't that amazing? Oh, everything's going crazy. That's because the dollar has no purchasing power anymore. Maybe a penny with all the money they're printing. So okay, I'm gonna keep it short. I got some internet interference with my signal. I got some trees I took down, and it's not much better. I got a few more trees that I gotta get out of there. So that's the task ahead. I'm on the sawmill. I'm finally ready to fire up, and I'll show another video of that. So I'm gonna quit. Bye.